It's massive, it's luxurious, and yet it moves like it's half the size. Bentley went off with this one. Gone is the legendary W12. In its place, a brutal 771 horsepower twin-turbo V8 hybrid. Faster, sharper, and somehow even better. This is the 2025 Bentley Continental GTC Speed. The ultimate open-top grand tour. But is it purrs like a kitten smooth or roars like a beast wild? Before we find out, hit that like button and subscribe because things are about to get insane. Now, let's talk about performance. 771 horsepower, 1,000 Newton-meter of torque, and yes, it's a hybrid. But here's the kicker. 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds, top speed 177 miles per hour. That's hypercar territory. You don't just accelerate, you launch. Under the hood, a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 works with a 188 horsepower electric motor, eliminating turbo lag and delivering instant torque. It feels like Bentley stuffed a second engine in there just for fun. And weight distribution near perfect at 4951, thanks to the lighter V8 up front and the battery pack in the rear. And if you're feeling chill, you can cruise in silent EV mode for up to 50 miles. Now, let's talk handling. Fast in a straight line? Of course. But what makes the GTC Speed truly special is how it moves. All-wheel drive feels like it's glued to the road. Rear-wheel steering shrinks the car's size when cornering. Electronic limited slip differential. Power goes exactly where it needs to. And then there's Bentley's Dynamic Ride. This 48-volt anti-roll system flattens corners while keeping things cloud soft on straights. The twin-valve dampers, silky smooth in comfort mode, razor sharp in sport. And stopping power? The massive carbon ceramic brakes are lighter, stronger, and built for hard stops. Only trade-off, they love to scream. Something you'll notice if you push this beast hard. The exterior? It's got the soul of a classic and the swagger of a 2025. Inspired by the 1952 R-Type Continental, but sharper, more aggressive, and downright menacing. Up front, a dark tint matrix grille, massive air intakes, and a redesigned body kit, elegant but intimidating. The headlights? First time since the 50s, Bentley's signature round lights are back. Only now, they pack 120 precision LEDs in a dynamic DRL brow. Out back, 3D diamond pattern tail lights glow like molten lava, sitting above slashed oval exhausts that sound like thunder on demand. But here's the party trick. With the single button press, the 7-bow fabric roof vanishes in 19 seconds, even while rolling at 30 miles per hour. And unlike most convertibles that look awkward with the top down, this one, still a stunner. The wheels, absolute units. 22-inch alloys inspired by a tiger's claw, wrapped in high-performance Pirellis. Interior and tech features, step inside, and you'll forget your house even exists. Bentley doesn't just do luxury, they define it. Seats, not just quilted leather thrones, they're 20-way adjustable with built-in wellness seating that literally fixes your posture as you drive. What? Too cold? Heated armrests, a heated steering wheel, and neck warmers will have you toasty without lifting a finger. Too hot? Ventilated seats with built-in massage keep you cool and relaxed. And for the tech lovers, Bentley's rotating display. One tap and the 12.3-inch touchscreen disappears, replaced by handcrafted veneer or classic analog dials. Of course, it's loaded with wireless CarPlay and built-in apps, real-time navigation with fuel tracking. Top-tier safety, adaptive cruise, night vision, and heads-up display. And then, the sound. The standard system, solid. It's a 1500-watt Bang & Olufsen concert mode. But the 21-watt Naim system, 18 speakers, plus active bass transducers in the seats. It's an experience. Now, about that trunk space, 4.7 cubic feet. So better call a Bentayga for the luggage. And that is the 2025 Bentley Continental GTC Speed, the most powerful convertible Bentley has ever built. But was it enough to make you forget the legendary W12? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stick around for more high-speed, high-luxury content. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to find a Bentayga for my luggage. Until then, keep rolling.